how to write in the fashion of a story. There should be a logic, very, very important. Okay, in your essay, there should be a story. That is what I'm telling you. You guys are now very young, but when you are as an administrator or something, you are having to communicate something, means it should have a coherent story and a logic. That is what UPSC is actually checking basically, because your thoughts will be very random, but you have to have a coherent flow. You go check any IAS officer's speech, you check. Okay, any, but respectable IAS officers, there are many, many are there, but respectable IAS officers, or you check, for example, if you check authors, Ramachandra Guha, you check their speeches. Or for example, I will show you some person who is very, very close to me. This is Francis Fukuyama, a political science professor of Stanford, and a very great person. He will actually come, if you pass, he will come to you for in Mussoorie. I really wanted to meet that person. Actually, he will come to Mussoorie for teaching you. So uh, yes, Babu. Okay. Yes, Babu. Okay. Yes, Babu. Okay. Yes, Babu. Okay. The point is that Chandru, yes, Babu. Oh, Shailendra Babu sir. Okay, okay. So please, yes. I thought some person is named Yes Babu. Okay, okay. Shailendra Babu sir. Yes, I have met him, and he also is a nice person to talk to. I have met him, and he also talks with all these kinds of flows. If you see, so and this is what I wanted to tell you. There should be a logic, there should be a story, there should be a flow, there should be a connection. But we will see. I will tell you with an example how these things are. I will not just go and leave you just like that. I will show you how the flow is, how the connect is, and the same thing. See, remember again and again. If you are writing a philosophy paper, also education is a philosophy only. Bureaucracy is a philosophy only. Everything is a philosophy in life. Okay, you don't have to think about philosophy is something only Aristotle, Plato, or Immanuel Kant is not the philosophy. Philosophy is everything. Philosophy is living a good life. Philosophy is giving children education. Philosophy is giving people health also. That is also philosophy only. What is the greatest joy if you have means right? Okay, I will implement. I will give education to all. I will give right to you. Okay, who is going to stop you? It is a content. It is your dream. It is your dream. Correct. So you are a bureaucrat. You should dream. Okay. So there, and then the next point is that, as I told you, quotes only. See the underline. Please underline this. Only at places you feel it is necessary. Don't, for example, some படம்லாம் இருக்கும், வேணும்னே பாட்டு எடுத்துட்டு வந்து 5 பாட்டு வைக்கணும் அப்படின்னு. You will immediately find out, okay, this fellow, I don't want to say, but most of the high budget movies do all these things. I think so point is that these high budget movies have these 5 songs placed in the same way. It will look to the examiner. You are placing the quote very unnecessarily because this person has studied and come, he has put this quote in it. அதுக்குதான் நான் சொல்லல. சந்துரு கரெக்டா அதுதான் சொல்லல, பட் வேணாம். So the point is that this is the essay. Now, do you have any doubt? So we'll go into the topic. I will take something and I will tell you how to brainstorm, and today you are going to help me brainstorm also, like the way we did in the last class. So we will brainstorm now. So now, is there anyone who has any doubts as to the basic content and everything? So they can raise their hand and they can ask me. Okay. This is Chand. Okay, Lakshman. Okay. Samuel, yes, you can write without quotes, but see, the point is that basic quotes everyone knows. Okay, basic quotes are, for example, be the change you want to be. This everyone knows, right? Be the change you sure. Knowledge is power. Yes, knowledge is power. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Keep this and all you will have. You will know, right? You will have. All glitters is not gold. Like this, you can have many things. Okay. Balaji, no. Can we write our own quote? How can we write our own quote, Balaji? Balaji, if you are writing some quote, let us assume you are writing. This I also used to do. If I did not remember the quotes means what I used to do, I used to put them in this thing, and I used to be like, okay, for safer side, I will use Gandhiji. Okay, if I don't remember whose quote was that, or I am quoting or something related to, let us assume I am quoting something good, so I will be like Gandhiji or something APJ Abdul Kalam. I will use words. No one is going to check. But the point is that, Balaji, if you write something irrelevant, the person might know that this person is faking. So quotes, if you are writing, please be sure that you're yes. Essays with technical terms from optional subject. Yes, you can actually use sociological terms. Yes, you can use political terms. Yes, you can use, but don't overuse. That is what அளவுக்கு மிஞ்சினா அமிர்தமும் நஞ்சுன்றது எஸ்ஏ தான். ஓகேவா? எஸ்ஏ இல்ல, சாரி, யூபிஎஸ்சிஏ. ஓகேவா? Whole UPSC is the more you keep pushing UPSC, அது பிரச்சனை ஆயிடும். Always keep it simple. தல சொல்ற மாதிரி keep it simple, அவ்வளவுதான். Don't bombard with all the things you know, all the quotes you know. Yes. Yes, you can write. Yes, you can write. If you can actually write any quote. For example, Ravindran, I'll come to Thirukural actually. Actually, if you can write any quote, you can write any quote, and if you are not able to remember, just put these under this, and that is why I am telling you. If you are not able to remember, just put this under this, and you start writing. Okay, you don't have, it's okay, they will understand. And Ravindran, as to the question of whether Thirukural can be quoted, Thirukural in English you have to write. Even you have to write, for example, in English, don't overuse one Thirukural, that's it. Okay, or in the 10 pages you are writing, don't overuse Thirukural, one Thirukural, and that too in English, in 2 lines English. It should be English, and you write Thirukural. Okay, you can write that. Yes, you can use Thirukural, but you should be sure that don't overuse. That is what I'm telling you, because overusing, as I told you, paper who corrects. The point is that if you ask me, I would ask you to write 10 pages, 10 Thirukural, I will ask you to write. But the point is that who is correcting the paper, no one will know. You don't know, I do not know. Yes, Jaitri, actually you can quote. For example, I used to quote this Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, right? Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Okay, this is what earlier Yadum Mure Yavarum Keli. This is what is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. That is everyone. But Jaitri, use in English, not in Sanskrit. Okay, use you be safe and use in English. Use it in English, so that it will be. So Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, I will write like this only. I have used this, but I will have this English version only. Any other? Can we go? Sun has no Sunday. Chandru. No. Sun has no Sunday. No. Don't do all that. Sun has no Sunday. அதுக்கப்புறம் ஆல் டே சண்டேயா மாத்திடுவான் அவன். ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஆல் டே சண்டே நெக்ஸ்ட் அட்டம்ப்டும் போயிடும். So be sure, because I have அதான் சொல்றேன், I have done all these mischiefs. இந்த மாதிரி பேப்பர்ல வந்து you should not show yes. ஓகே லக்ஷ்மண், ஓகே லக்ஷ்மண் 2 பேரும் விளையாடிட்டு இருக்காங்க, சரி விளையாடுறோம் தப்பு இல்ல. லக்ஷ்மண், இந்த வாட்டி you are going to see, you are going to write mains. You should keep all these in mind. ஆனா you try once actually. This time you are going to write mains. சன்னுக்கு நோ சண்டேன்னு you start an essay, ஓகேவா? மார்க் பார்க்கலாம். But don't do that, okay? Don't do that. Write only things which are very very well, even if you are writing very very well known code. That is what I am telling you. Be the change you want to be was actually a question. See, UPSC has asked a mains question. See, there is a question in 2013. See, be you write this as an essay. So idella you should think. So I will first go and tell you the essay. So one essay we'll discuss, and I will tell you how to brainstorm, or one or two essay I will tell you how. Okay, but check the questions now. Check the questions of rise of artificial. They have started asking artificial intelligence. Definitely this time will be a question. This time was a question in prelims also, right? There was a question on artificial intelligence. Hereafter UPSC will be looking into artificial intelligence very strongly. So please think about this. Application of AI, everything they will start asking now.